Hi everybody, thank you for joining in to today's session. We're going to be focusing on yoga for weight loss. So we're going to start on our fours and we're just going to take a few moments to breathe and check into our bodies. So you can close your eyes at this point and just start to connect with your breathing. And just let the mind settle and the crown of the head to drop naturally to the floor. And just let the day go that you've had. Maybe you've had a stressful day or somebody's been annoying you and you feel that horrible anger. Well, this is a good way also to let go of all that. So let's just walk the hands to the top of the mat, let's curl the toes under, and let's just lift the bottom into the air. And we're going to take a nice bend in the knee and really lengthen the arms. And drop the crown of the head to the floor. And breathe. And then start just to move the knees backwards and forwards. Stretching the hamstrings and maybe have a little bit of a twist going on in the hip. And it's slipping my mat today actually. Relax, enjoy. And then if you can, maybe just start to ground the heels a little bit more towards the back of the mat. And then let's take up the right leg. Let's not force anything, just lift it up, and we're going to bring the knee through to the nose, and then we're going to kick the leg back up again. So the knee comes through to the nose and back up again. And you can repeat this as many times as you like. And then we're going to take the knee the next time out to the elbow, and then we're going to push the leg back up. So the knee comes out to the elbow and then back up. And again, it's up to you how many times you want to repeat this. I think for weight loss, you're talking about 20 times. And then you repeat with the other leg. Again, bring your knee to nose. Go back up, and then you can take it out to the elbow. Good. And then back to downward facing dog. And take a big deep breath here. Really lift those hips up into the air. And then let's roll forward to high plank. And breathe here. Stack all the bones and all the joints over one another. And then we're going to come down to the forearm. We're going to lower down. We're going to hold. And then we're going to come up again into high plank and hold. And then we're going to repeat this action like this. Do it 5 or 6 times. And then you're going to hold in high plank again. Getting a bit out of breath here. And then we're going to kick the leg up and back down. Leg goes up and down, up and down. And then we're going to drop the knees and we're going to push back to child's pose. Take a big breath here and sweep the arms up to the sky as if you're holding a big beach ball. Just part the knees a little bit. Turn the toes up and under. Lengthen and extend the spine. And then just sweep the hands behind the back. Interlace the hands together. And then drop the hands down to the heels, lift the pelvis. And the gaze comes forward, or you can have the gaze hanging back. Release back, hands come to centre. And thank you very much for watching. And if you have enjoyed this video today, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.